How to shuttering lagging issue solved in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen and refresh phone. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and restart the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so open few apps in or out and refresh app background. After refresh, you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now you scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all setting. So click on enter phone passcode. Click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After that restarting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can shuttering and lagging issue solved in iOS 26. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.